How you doing, guys? It's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and today we're going to take a look at the brand new MacBook Pro with the Touch Bar. And there we have it. Your USB charger. Looks like it might be a little bit longer cable than the one that comes with the new MacBook, but we will compare that. Looks like your documentation, which we will not look at, and your brick charger, which feels a little heavier than the one that comes with the MacBook. Let's take a look. Looks lovely. Let's remove this shield. Oh, and look at that. Right when you open it up, it just automatically turns itself on. So as I'm setting up the Mac, usually I don't go through this part, but a new thing here is you have your fingerprint ID, which is kind of cool. So it's kind of like the iPhone. And so I'm just kind of going through that process now. And it's kind of cool. And the first thing that we want to look at is this computer has two USB-C ports, also Thunderbolt 3. There's two on this side, and there's also two on the other side, as well as a headphone jack. The original MacBook only has one of those connectors. And to connect everything today for testing is I have this Juiced Systems adapter, and basically what it gives us is it gives us a SD card slot, a micro SD card slot, a power slot, so when it's plugged in you can also power the computer, and two USB 3.0 ports. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the Touch Bar. So the Touch Bar is an OLED screen that runs from one side of the computer to the other, and basically it's an all-electronic screen that's touch sensitive. And I can see, programs down the road really taking advantage of this. So this is my first day playing with this, so bear with me, in what I've learned so far just playing with the computer in the last hour. So let's go ahead and try Siri, which is this right button here. Siri, what time is it?
The time is 6:16 p.m.
So that's kind of cool there. And then you can go ahead and if I press this, we'll change it. And you can see here now I have brightness controls there. And, I have my controls for the backlighting on the keyboard. And also here controls for playback. It's kind of cool. And then I'll just show you really quickly. Let me open up a web page, and you can see what that looks like. So when you open up a web page, you can see you got your YouTube hot buttons here. You can go right to Apple. You can go right to these other, this one here, which I don't know what that one is. I think that one goes to, that one goes to the iCloud. Okay. So, let's see here. Let's just get out of there. And so that's kind of cool. So, like you got your quick, and then if I go back, open up a website page again, it goes ahead and of course your news, Yahoo, all that. It just works by just simply touching it. There you go. So it's going to go to Yahoo real quick. Great. Okay, so let's close out of this and let's go to Final Cut Pro because that's what I wanted to show you. So when you open up Final Cut Pro, it gives you a lot of options here. Basically, so far you can see what's in the timeline here if you want to. Like for quick editing, instead of like here right now I had the razor blade tool, and so you can see I can do it here, but if I want to go ahead and go down here and select, like I can hit this here and I can go right to the razor blade and I can basically change it from there. So that's kind of cool. I've been playing with that. Gives you some interesting options there. Also when you play back your video, let's see, we go here.
It looks to me like they're going to be pretty cool.
Okay, so you basically can, you can actually turn your timeline into this here, but you can see here I can go ahead and just scrub the page. It's kind of cool. So, there's kind of a quick overview of what it looks like. So here is a comparison showing what the 12-inch MacBook looks like next to it. Obviously, you can see the difference in the screen. Of course, the MacBook is a lot lighter. I did a quick performance test just to see. They were pretty close. And the MacBook on the left is the 1.1 gigahertz processor. The MacBook on the Pro on the right
The new one that I'm reviewing has the 2.9 i5 processor, but just kind of transferring some files and doing a little bit of rendering of a 4K output file. They were pretty close around the same time, so not too much of a difference there. I really love my little MacBook, and it's a great little computer, and use it quite a bit for editing 4K videos. It really works like a champ.
If you haven't hit that subscribe button, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I got a lot of cool, interesting stuff coming up. See you very soon. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.